What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you the Control Area Permission Keycard and its multiple uses. To start off, in the medical area, all the way down in the far south side here, you can use it, and you can also use it at the top over here. That's right in the center of the brand new airport map. Let's start off with the bottom one. This one's located by the B gate, so you'll need to make your way down to the southeastern side of the main area. In the medical area, down here, this is where you'll use the key. Once you come up to this, you'll be using it right here, but you can interact anywhere on the gate. You'll just slide towards this point. After you open it, I'd recommend closing it behind you as you are super exposed. However, inside of here, there's not too much inside of this little entry area. The rest of it's inside of this little tent. In this tent, we've got a med kit, a pro first aid kit. I wasn't too lucky here. Then immediately behind it, we've got a small safe, which we're hopefully lucky with. Sure, I'll take it. That's really good. Then further on, a suitcase, which for me has that in it. Definitely not that valuable. On the back wall, we've got a jacket. Again, not too lucky here. And that's basically it. I think there's maybe some loose loot that can spawn around this room, though nothing spawned here for me. It was just these 4 lootables and the safe, which had the majority of the value. Now we've made our way to the top of the medical area, and right over here, you're able to use the same keycard. Once we open the door, we can close it behind us, and of course, inside of here, we've got a little bit of loot. Starting on the left, we've got ourselves a premium weapon case, which didn't give items that are too crazy to me, sadly. And on the far right-hand side here, we've got 2 ammo boxes. That's, okay. Oh, that's pretty good. I'll take that. And the second one, that's not bad either. Pretty good haul so far. And finally, a small safe on the table right next to it, which for me didn't have anything too crazy. Ultimately, these 77k worth of FMJ ammo is pretty huge, and the 26k SP6 ammo. Besides that, this room wasn't too crazy for me at least, but of course your luck may be different. I'm pretty sure there's only these 4 containers, and that's that. Now, there are further uses to this Control Area Permission card, and of course, the next one is located right over here in the other wing of this main area, the military zone down here in the bottom right towards these 3 tents. If we open up the gate here, which uses the key card's on the far right, all the way down here once more, you'll need to come through the ticket hall to get here, or of course the entrance up here. Either ways, once you make your way in here, using the key card, inside of the first tent over here, we've got a medkit, which was pretty worthwhile. Behind it, a military supply case, okay. Then, further back, a military computer, definitely worthwhile, and a small safe on the table. That's pretty good. I'll take that. And finally, at the back right, we've got a couple of loose grenades that can spawn here. That covers pretty much everything for this first little tent here. We'll move across to the next tent, and inside of this one, it doesn't seem like we've got all that much in here. In fact, yeah, I don't think there's anything that spawned in here for me. Maybe there's some loose loot that can spawn somewhere in here, but it seems like it's mainly that first tent. A little bit disappointing as there's basically nothing in here besides one small tent, but what was inside of here is probably going to be still worth your while, at least somewhat. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the 4th and final usage right up here. Then finally, the last location this key can be used, of course, is this one over here, also on the opposite side of the other wing. So there's 4 different places we can use, all on each corner of this wing. Inside of this little warehouse here, once we use the access key card, this is what it looks like. Inside of here, we've got ourselves a large materials case, which for me doesn't have, oh geez, that's pretty good. It's just a little bit big. Sure, I'll take it. And right next to it, a toolbox, which in my case was definitely not worthwhile. Then to the left, we've got a small safe once more. Not bad. Some general loose loot that can spawn on the table, usually of a higher rarity. And finally, a jacket on the door on the way out. That's okay. Ultimately, this room could have been a little bit better, but again, we've got 4 or 5 containers. There's a bunch of uses for this keycard, which is rather interesting. But that should be it. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.